All right. Is anybody missing? Are we waiting for anybody? Or we can go ahead.
Mary, do you think this is the best time for us to do this thing? Because we have just few people.
They watched the recording.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, Rachel and Lua Pelumi are not here.
Cindy, please just help me resend the link. Wallahi, goodness.
Okay.
Can you imagine? Okay, please, can we go ahead?
Oh, yes, yes.
All right, let me just share my screen. All right, you guys can see my screen, right?
I can't.
You can't.
Yes. Okay, I
Please.
can't now.
All right. Let me just plug my charger in. So I don't get up on guard in case these people decide to take their lights. Okay, so we are changing few columns, right? So AY, you're here, right?
Yes, I am.
All right. Which AI did you use for this?
Cloud. Cloud AI.
Are you a premium user?
No, I'm not. I'm a Nigerian.
You're Nigerian, huh?
Yeah, you should understand. I don't have to finish the. Come on now.
Wow. Okay. Anyways, Cloud AI is good for analysis and ChatGPT to the try. But you see Gemini does not have head for that one. All right. So the first thing that we said we're going to adjust is customer ID, right? We need customer retention. Emphasis on that. Okay. And at the same time, if I remember, this ID is not unique to each customer name. Okay. So are you just going to take it back to the AI and prompt?
Yeah, that's the idea. I will note all these things. At least there's a video for reference as well. So I will just go back and prompt it again. Since I still have the history of the charts, I'll just go back and prompt it.
This one that's this one that we have a deadline on Wednesday. How are we going to do about this? Is this a good idea?
Probably had 2 days to it, Friday, and everybody has to submit by Friday. There's no late submission.
So that means everybody will just automatically submit on Friday.
If people can submit before Friday, all well and good, but Friday should be the deadline. That's it.
All right. So when are we going to get this file back?
By tomorrow morning. Okay, tomorrow is Sunday. After church tomorrow, you get it. So it's something we can still deliberate on by Monday morning.
All right. So we have to review this again. So this is how we are going to do it. I know very well that some persons might not be available, which is okay. But that's one of the reasons why we have recordings. So I don't know if few persons will be available tomorrow. So once the data set is available, we can review it that evening to know if it's something we can use or not. Does that work? Is that possible?
Yes. It will
All right.
possible for me. Yeah.
Funny how I have a meeting by 8. But can we have it by 7? I'll try. I do come back
That
from
works for me.
church. All right. But I'll try and come back. I'll still come back late. I shall try and review this before we look through it. I don't know what I'm saying right now, but I know I'm saying something. So please, Oluwa, I say Oluwa. AY, take note of this. The name and an individual can move to another state and order from that state, right? So that works, but the name and the ID should match, should be unique, and we need customer retention. Okay, so we spoke about payment status. So for transactions that are failed, does we like hey Jesus Christ, this is stress. Do we even need delivery status for payments that are failed? Can you guys hear me? What do you guys think? What should we have for failed payments?
Well, I don't really know because if the payments fail, right, it should be detected before the products are sent out.
Okay.
I don't know if
So
I make
yeah, that makes sense. So what would be the right term for this delivery status? Cindy.
Okay. Failed as well.
Okay. So that means I can just do this. Please, does anybody have a better term? Any better term? Nobody is saying anything.
That's okay.
All right.
What's your
Okay.
question? What's your question, please?
I'm asking if a payment status is failed, what do we do about what should we term our delivery status? Cindy said failed.
Failed or not delivered, either of the two. Failed is still okay.
All right. Okay. So let's talk about, let me look at
Sorry, I just wanted to ask if your payment status is failed. Delivery status, is it possible to be pending or is cancelled?
I feel failed or cancelled work.
Or not delivered, just like what we last said.
Me, I suggest if we should be having delivery category, like make it like a category. Like if it is not delivered, it is not delivered. If it's delivered, it is delivered.
So, Ewa, you're saying,
The thing is, I feel the delivery status could infer what happened to the delivery. If we say cancelled now, it could be that it's the customer that cancelled it.
It could be.
Even this
could-
failed, it could be that
Maybe
maybe
not.
I don't know, there was an error on the customer's end or something.
Anybody can cancel it. As far as the payment is not
We cannot hear
Oluwapelumi
you, UI.
voice. It's not a wise. Oluwapelumi.
Oluwapelumi, we cannot hear you.
okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, we can.
I said anybody can actually cancel the delivery as far as the payment is not successful.
Exactly. So there can be different reasons for that actually. So it can be if it's because a pending, I
Not
don't think that pending will
delivered
work
or
because
on hold. I think that's better. We can use not delivered.
okay. Okay
So
then.
we are going without, right?
That works in my head as it is right now.
But what if we said no failed payment?
What if
What do you say?
What if we say failed payment?
Is it not the same? Okay, like we should say failed payment for the delivery status.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay, Cindy. The thing is,
Because I'm trying to think of
when
something
you
really specific.
Hmm?
No, I'm trying to come up with something really specific to the problem. That when you see, you know that oh, it's because the payment failed.
So first of all, the variables we have under payment status, there are 4 as it is right now.
Exactly.
So there's failed, there's pending, there's reversed, there's successful. So out of these 4, are we sharing any of them? Are we removing any of them? Are they going to still be that 4? Or we just want it to be either successful or failed? Are we removing pending and reversed? Let's start with that. So that is what will now determine the delivery status. Then we will now know if we are going to be filtering out the one that is in transit, the ones that is cancelled, the one that is pending. But we need to actually be sure of our payment status first. So do we just want it to just be just 2 variables, either successful or failed?
I think we should start with this. Do we have successful delivery? Do we have successful deliveries under reverse?
yes, we have.
Yes, we do.
That's it.
So that's a loss then, because the customer has their money and our products.
Mhm.
Yeah.
This thing is going to stress our
Okay.
brain.
So this reversed has to be filled. Has to be filled.
True. Okay. Yes, we can mark it as failed because it is a failed payment.
Sorry?
I think it's yeah. I think we can mark it as failed too because it's technically a failed payment. Money did not enter our account.
Mhm.
All right. So for this spending now, this spending is under Wala. So just take a look at now. 2023 payments, Abi, delivery is pending. How? Payments is pending too. Yeah, see, there are times where a customer payment is pending, right? Let me talk about CAC portal right now. But we all know that when it comes to these government stuffs, they do not care about customer feedback. But sites like this, they will obviously care. There are times that you pay money and there's no way to verify your payments, and your stuff will be pending. You have to pay again. It happens to the best of us.
Yep.
So what do you do about this spending now?
In my head, I'm thinking, so since we have 3 years,
Mm.
2023, 2024, 2025. So if the payment status is still pending and we are in 2026, because we are trying to improve operations and all that for this trade link, right? So would it be possible that a transaction that occurred in 2023 is still pending till 2026? Is it like in real life?
Shouldn't be this much, even if it is small.
So it can still be there, but it should not be that much, right?
This even tells on customer service. Which
It's
company
100
wants to? No.
It's too much.
It's too much. It's too long, save.
So how many do you want to shorten? Do you want from 2024 down? How many do you want?
Like, let's say for a year, maybe that would be fair enough.
For the pendings, right? For the payment status, right?
For the pending.
Okay.
So how many do you want?
So if you are using, if you can't say a particular figure, for instance, let's say by a percentage, out of 100% and the percentage, let's say the successful ones are like 70, the failed ones are like 20. Should the pending be like 10% of the whole transactions?
That works.
That still makes sense.
All right, so the pending should be in 2025, or we should have like few in 2023, few in 2024, and few in 2025, and plenty in 20.
It should be most recent though. It's not even good for a business like you have a pending transaction since about 3 years ago. I know in some company they used to have a dedicated team. If they see that, customer has a particular issue has exceeded a particular SLA, like service level agreement, then what they do is to follow up within a specified. But 3 years is very long. I feel like it should still be in the recent time. Let's say 2025.
You can either do just for 2025 or replace the old pending totally. Because even the pending for the whole 3 years is just 14%.
We still can't hear
We
you
can
very
hear
well.
you. Yeah.
Okay. So what I said was that you can either replace the pending as a whole or just filter for 2025. Because even the pending for the whole 3 years is just 14% of the whole payment status. It's just 14%. So if you are saying we still want to come down to 10%, it's still closer to 14%, which is still much. So you can do for just 2025 or replace the whole pending with failed.
I think we should just do for 2025.
All right.
So if it should just be for that 2025, so does that mean the percentage will reduce to like 5%?
Yes, something
Because
like that.
I feel it will be practical, because it will not make sense if we now have the 10%, everything is just focused on 2025. So I guess if we are limiting it to just 2025, I feel the percentage should reduce as well. That makes sense, right?
Makes sense.
Is Vina on this call? Vina, are you fine? Why am I not hearing your voice this night?
She said she needs money. That's what she told us earlier on this call. So
That's why she's not saying anything on the call again.
No, you came with fresh energy. We've been here like this. I'm even feeling sleepy already, safe.
Sorry, what did you say?
I say, you came with fresh energy, like energy, so much energy. You've been here, like I'm even feeling sleepy like this.
Ewa, what did she say?
I cannot hear her. Someone that's using voice.
I
She
said,
said you
can
still have
you hear me?
much energy. You are refreshed. She's
Can you hear me?
tired
Can you
already.
hear me?
Who is
Hello?
refreshed?
I said you keep came with fresh energy like this that we will here. Me, I'm already feeling sleepy, safe.
Sorry, we'll soon be done with this. Sorry about that. But we need your contribution, please.
No problem.
All right. So we settled this now.
So just to clarify, for the payment status, we are going to be having just three variables: successful, failed, and pending. And the pending is going to be like 5% of the whole transaction and is limited to 2025. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. We're talking about this field. So we're talking about the name. Hello. Hmm? What are you saying about the name? Failed due to payment. Cancelled.
I think it should be not delivered though. I don't know if any other person has another opinion.
So, if I can remember correctly, I think the delivery status we have. How many do we have on it? There's cancelled, there's delivered, there's pending, there's
In
returned,
transit.
and there's in transit. See that in transit on? I don't know what we are going to do about that. So those variables, because I don't know why some things will still be in transit in 2023, even if it's coming from Australia. It should be here by now. So I don't know.
Only from
Are we
what
going to filter that out? I don't know.
for me, you see that pending says. I don't know what pending is in here.
Is it Vina that is talking?
Yes, for me to be checked should be taken out to me.
Oluwapelumi and Vina, they're on the same table.
Eh?
I said Oluwapelumi and Vina on the same table this night. We cannot hear them. Vina,
Let me cut and join back. Let me join back. Let me see. I don't understand.
And if you are removing the in transit, shouldn't we remove the pending too? Because why should a delivery still be pending for 3 years?
So we can see now that every in transit is, oh my God, that's wrong. So we have the payment status in transit. We can adjust this in transit now to something else.
So what should we have pending successful?
But we have not even reached one place. You can carry us to another place. Okay, first, let us categorize our delivery status. So we are going to have cancelled. This cancelled. Like, why is it cancelled? What happens when it's cancelled? Is it the customer that cancelled it or what? What do you guys think? Or it was cancelled due to failed payments?
We have some
Now,
successful payments
now
here.
Could be
we can't
both.
say that it is cancelled due to failed payment because under the payment status, if you filter for cancelled, you will see that there are products that have failed payments that are cancelled, the ones that have pending payments cancelled, the ones that the payment are reversed cancelled, and the one that have successful payments still cancelled.
So how do we do it now? You like saying that this one the US headache also.
Seriously. So I'm thinking in my head then, instead of doing this thing manually, is there not a way where your friend
We
can
are not
just
doing it
prompt AI
manually.
to make it make sense?
We are not doing it manually. Oh. Forget what
No,
I'm
it's
doing
the
here.
prompt you are looking for. There are ways to prompt it that you are looking for.
I am now. Jay, we are listening.
Okay, so me, I was thinking if there is a way it's going to like rewrite, upload this data to Cloud AI, then rewrite to say, okay, we're just trying to identify the problem. Maybe we identify the problems, then we can just tell AI to adjust the data sets.
So I feel that we need to define the parameters. So that is what we determine what I'm going to actually put in there. Like I usually say, it's more of
Prompt, yeah.
AI is garbage in, garbage out. If you put rubbish there, now
Mm.
rubbish will give you back. It's simple. So if we can define the parameters, okay, payment success status, we have successful, pending, and this thing. Can we say that whichever one that is successful is the one that is already delivered and the delivery days doesn't exceed 5 or something, and the customer ratings can vary from 1 to 5?
Okay, setting the measures.
Exactly. Let's just,
Okay.
if we put it like that and it's well structured like that, artificial intelligence will do the dirty work and then give us the output, and then we go through it.
Okay, I get that.
If we say something is pending, what could be the reason why it's pending? The delivery status, is it because it's still in transit? We can't even say it's still in transit. So will it
No.
be because it's cancelled? I mean, let's just, if we can do that,
Okay.
I will just note all those things down, and it's part of things I will just put into the AI, and then we'll do it. Abi, what do you think, Miriam?
If I'm being very honest, I was not listening.
Oh God.
So I don't know what you want me to think that. Like I zoned out. I was stressed and tired. You can go ahead
Oh,
and
God.
anyone. You can repeat
Should
yourself.
should
Yes.
we? I have a suggestion.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see that most people are tired. You are tired, and I understand the desires that you just want to try. Let's be up and doing, and it's nice. I feel Dina is tired. Jade is tired. She's just not saying it. She's using she's using idea. So, uh, I feel that we can do that tomorrow evening, 7. So what we can do is, I feel it's part of this. I said people should go through it and then come up with ways that we can. So I will make sure that my system is charged up, and then I will run it, probably run it live and see what it's giving us. If we are okay with this, we'll go ahead with it. If it's not, we'll reiterate again. We'll go back, we'll put the prompt again. What do you guys think?
You want to run, you want to do the prompting live.
Yeah.
I was even thinking is what we'll do today.
Oh,
I said,
live. My system was low. My system is down. My system is down.
just give me a minute, please.
So that's the problem. My system is down, so I can't run the prompts now. That's why I was even saying by tomorrow. I believe we'll have light tonight. So, but if it's something that you can do from your end, and we are looking at it right now, I think it's fine. Hmm?
Sorry? Oluwapelumi. What's going on here?
I don't get.
We heard something from your background now.
Sorry, they can mute, I beg.
Okay.
Oh, good.
Okay. So, but still, AY, we'll just conclude this night. Then you give us a data set tomorrow. If it's not what we want, would
And so you guys need to give me the parameters that we use. please.
All right.
I beg,
That's why
I
we
beg,
had
I beg, please.
Jade, Zina, we have Rachel, we have AY, we have Oluwapelumi, we have Cindy on the call. So yeah, we can figure this out.
Mm-mm.
First of all, I'm going to change this in transit. I don't want to see it.
Okay, so we are removing it totally, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to filter for in transit.
So in transit
Now,
should turn to what now?
I'm coming now. It depends.
Okay.
So this in transit will put delivered. Bah. Now this is based on successful. Oh. You feel me?
Okay.
All right. I'm going to put in transit again.
Payment, right?
Let me
Just
clear
move
this.
it.
The one that has successful payment, right?
Yes.
But some
So
has reversed payment and pending and failed.
sorry.
I said some in transit has delivered as payment status pending and failed. What do you do about those ones?
Yeah, we are just adjusting all of this. I'll put field PY. Field, yeah, due to PY. Since you are not ready yet, I'm coming now. I'll clear this one. So we have pending. Now, if you look through, we have only pending, right? So Jade,
I'm here.
Shebi, you say from 2003 to 2004
Mm-hmm.
only. They should be excluded.
Yes. Okay.
So I'll change this to successful.
So what will their delivery status be? Okay, let's see.
Delivery.
Okay, yes, makes sense now. Makes sense.
I mean, if I call for this now, we'll still have in transit. So for this pending, so if implement is pending, it means it's not delivered back.
Yes.
Yes,
Or do
that's
you have
what.
another English for it? Cindy, do you have something better?
If payment is pending, I mean the product shouldn't be sent out in the first place.
Or should we put
So
pending also?
well, wait, what was there before? In transit, again?
In transit.
Can anyone hear me? God, I beg.
Yes, we can hear you, Zeno.
Can we do anything like not confirmed? Is it a long English?
Not confirmed. That is, we don't know if it has been delivered or not. Yeah, I think that works.
For me, I think we should not use it
Yeah.
because it's on both sides. So it's not confirmed like is like at the middle.
Well, delivery status,
Mm,
we haven't confirmed delivery status if it's delivered or
yes,
not.
yes,
So yeah, I think that
yes.
works.
So not
Not
confirmed.
confirmed. Yes.
Not confirmed or unconfirmed? Which one?
Unconfirmed.
It's
Unconfirmed.
non-confirmed. Is there anything
Like,
like
should we use on old?
Who?
It's the same thing as spending or old. It's still the same thing as
It's what
spending.
people saying. Not confirmed or unconfirmed.
It's
Unconfirmed is
not,
not unconfirmed.
Unconfirmed.
Yes. It's shorter.
really.
Shorter to write. Yes.
Because of our dashboards.
Exactly.
Non-confirmed is that question.
No, it's the same
Hmm?
thing. It's just we're trying to summarize it all.
To reduce the character this thing, the character count. Feel like that.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Unconfirmed. Yeah.
So if we look through this now, we don't have in transit anymore. We've gotten rid of that.
Yes.
Okay. Cancelled, delivered, failed.
What about this pending?
Which pen?
I thought pending. You're supposed to change pending to unconfirmed, yeah.
Exactly. But we still have some of the delivery status. Some are few different delivery status for pending. Pending. Unconfirmed. Successful delivered. Then pending should be unconfirmed.
Oh,
Then pending unconfirmed. Mhm.
sorry.
So, just to confirm, our payment status so far we have successful pending and failed, three variables. Delivery status, we're only going to be having three as well. Yeah. And that will be delivered. That's any payment status that is successful. That means it's delivered. Whichever one that is failed, that means it's cancelled. Whichever one that is pending is unconfirmed. Is that it?
Yes.
Okay. However, there's something that just came into my head now. Okay, I think that works. I think that works. Hmm. Man, I hope this thing is not stressing your head. It is actually.
I'm cool actually. I'm okay.
Okay. All right.
I think we should be good to go from here. So every pending is showing unconfirmed. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes,
Yep.
ma'am.
And every unconfirmed is linked to 2025 only. So what are we saying about this field? Okay, what's next now? What do you guys think is next?
I thought the this thing that we are supposed to be having under delivery status should not be more than 3 as well. Because I'm seeing a whole lot here right now.
So what and what did we agree on? Or are we agreeing
Once
on?
we use payment, fail due to payments, can we just categorize it as failed as well?
Instead of having failed due to payment, I agree.
No, this field due to no. So you people are not giving me an English word for this. That's why I did this thing like this. So when payment status is filled, what should we have as delivery status?
Cancelled.
I thought we agree. Yeah, I thought we agreed cancelled.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we agreed cancelled.
Should be cancelled too.
Okay, I don't know. See, we don't agree on that one. All right.
So we
I
still
want to
have
look at cancelled only. So that means when payment status is successful, it has nothing to do with delivery being cancelled. Is that what people are trying to say? Or so that people are not answering me. Voila.
And the thing is that should be the case, but did we agree on what causes the delivery to be cancelled.
Okay,
Have
in
we
this
agreed
case,
that it's
I think
customers
we should only
from?
am I?
Yeah, sure, go ahead, please.
Okay, so in this case, I think we should just stick to payment that are not confirmed should not be delivered. Because we don't have any reason, according to this data set, we don't have any reason for us to have not delivered products aside from we not confirming the payment.
So every failed payment should be cancelled. Is
Not
that what you're
delivered.
saying?
Yes,
But
cancelled or not delivered, whichever. There's no way we can deliver products for payment that is failed
that's
or
failed. Yeah.
even pending. So even payment that is still pending, we cannot deliver the product. It has to be successful.
As those
So
are
we
the
are
ones
we
they
are only
are.
meant to have delivered for successful payments.
So I thought that was so successful for payment status means we are delivering it. Yeah. The ones that are failed, it means it gets automatically cancelled. And the ones that are pending is unconfirmed because we are limiting it to just 2025.
Yeah, if we are not limiting 2025, I don't know if that can be possible. We can now say some payments are successful, but their product are still probably not delivered yet, probably in transit or something, only for 2025.
Okay. Okay. That's another business problems.
Sorry, what did he say? Hello, Pelumi, what did he say? Hello?
But Lumio, yeah, explain yourself. Oh.
Can you hear me? My network is fluctuating this evening.
Yeah, we understand
Yes,
it's
we can
glow.
hear you.
All right. So what I said was that then we can now add to just 2025 for successful payment method for some products might be in transit, not delivered yet. Not all payment successful payment method have their products delivered yet. Some might still be in transit.
But are we going to now restrict it to be 2025?
Yes, we are going to be 2025 because we cannot expect we cannot expect the successful payments since 2024 or 2023 to still be in transit in 2025.
Okay.
Hello, Pelumi, we got rid of in transit already.
Well, let's just work with what we have.
So automatically, all the successful payments they
Are
are
delivered.
delivered. Abi?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Wow.
because if they are not delivered, there is actually a problem. When it comes to importation, it takes 2 months, and we're already 2 months gone.
And this is within Nigeria.
No, I'm talking about from China.
So, so me, I thought we should leave room for a little bit of questions to be answered too by the company that okay, why is it that some payments got successful, but we didn't deliver them? Okay, so that I don't have too much twist into it, but we can stick to successful and delivered. Sure. I am just asking questions.
I want to ask for permission to live like this. I hope I'm being permitted.
It's a lie. We are living together. We live.
Okay, there's another
I
problem.
mean,
So
I
we
still
have
have a lot to do this night. I've not ironed my clothes for church tomorrow, I think.
Sorry, Miriam, what were you saying?
I said we have returned. What happens to returned?
Maybe the products were not good enough or
They're not
something.
good. So that means we'll be expecting the customer rating to just
Yeah, I think we should
those
leave returned as it is. It's
Now we'll be
it's
having
important.
we'll
I
be
think it's
having
important to
return.
say returned.
what?
I said I think it's important to still see return. I
So
don't
we
think we
should
should change or remove it.
still leave some returns there.
Yes,
So that will be peculiar to only successful payment.
of course. I mean, we've already agreed that if payment is not successful, we cannot
Yes.
It's
accept the
cancelled.
delivery
Yeah.
terms. Yes. So of
Okay.
course it will be only possible to successful payments.
So some what do you call it now? Some successful payments will have returns, maybe
Yes.
because it turned out to be what I ordered versus what got delivered, something like that. Okay. Next.
Okay, now I have a question.
Yeah.
If somebody returns something, do we have obviously we now have a return policy. So when they return something, do we give them back their money? Or
I guess.
or
Okay.
they have to take a product from our store?
I guess that would be left to the analyst to I don't know this one. This one I don't know.
It's when we should leave it to the analyst. I am not the analyst.
No, like the individual analyst to actually come up with solutions for that. I don't know. I was about saying that I'm thinking in my head, what are we going to actually do about that particular situation? I don't know. I don't know. Do we create a separate column for that?
What's that, please?
Well, what I think is if it's not certain that we have a return policy or a no return policy, I think it's safe to just assume that we'll swap a product for them or we'll give them something else.
Okay.
Or we can even give them a discount next time or something like that.
Okay. So does that would not have any bearing on this particular analysis we're doing? It will just be left to the decision makers, right?
Yes. Yes. But ma, what
That
do you
works.
think?
That works for me. Oh. Marian, what do you think? Solar is not
What
saying
I'm
anything. She
thinking
slept
now
off.
is more of, if I return something now, it's an e-commerce website or be e-commerce scheme. So definitely there's a return policy. To be very honest, it
Yeah.
will get noisy, oh, but that's by the way. Because as I was adjusting this thing, I need to be adjusting delivery days also. And
And
customer
so, if we are factoring in the return policy, what would you suggest that we do then? Does that mean we are going to create a column where we'll name the column something something, and then we'll be putting what we are supposed to do on that column for returned goods, where the payment status was successful, we delivered it, but the customer is actually returning the stuff.
So this is what I have in my head. Somebody might get a bad product and decide to return it. Okay. And when they return it, there are times where the company send them back a better product, or they have to pick another thing from the catalog, right? That's how it works.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. For this type of analysis, I would like to tie it to the seller to see which seller have a like more bad product. I don't know if you understand the English I'm speaking right now. To see the seller that actually have a bad product. Now we would need other transaction. How do I explain this?
Do you mean you want us to you want us to see if this could be linked to a particular vendor that continuously has returned delivery status, return
Cindy,
deliveries?
please, if anybody here can be kindly interpret.
Jesus.
I
Can you,
wasn't hearing. I wasn't hearing.
okay, can you hear me now?
Go on. Let's see.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, I'm just trying to understand what you said. Do you mean we should look to see if these return deliveries are coming from a particular supplier, seller, sorry, or vendor?
Yes. For when I wanted to do this, I wanted to delegate a particular dashboard for resellers' performance. Okay.
Mm,
Now we can
yeah.
see a particular seller that is not doing well, that has bad product, right?
Mm, yeah.
So if what I'm trying to talk about now is, are we supposed to have an additional data when a particular goods was returned, or we do not want, we just want to leave it like that and face our life like that? Because, for example, if a client returns a product and they're exchanging it for something else, it is supposed to generate another transaction ID, right? So
Yeah.
that means
Yeah.
the person is no longer making another payment. Okay. So that means
Okay.
in this particular situation, there could literally be another category. Now, this would be delivered and the person will not have written. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
No, I'm following you.
Why do you understand what I'm trying to say?
No, I
Yeah,
don't really
I understand
understand.
what you're trying to say. At the end of the day, of course, it will still have what do you call it, effect on the customer rating. Customer rating will drop, of course, because more often than not, I think we deliberated on this before, that the customer rating is still going to be. Would it be based on the delivery? That's the logistics. Probably they are the ones that decide to actually take a while before they deliver the product, or the product they got is just bad, and they are rating it maybe one, and is having effects on. So now we need to tie the effect on, could it be from a particular retailer that sold the product to them, or is it just that what we gave them in the first place is just bad or something? So I'm guessing, but now the column that you're talking about now is what I don't know what you want to name it, and the purpose that is going to be serving.
Okay, let me explain again. So this customer rating is not based on logistics. It's based on the products that was received, right?
Okay.
Okay, good. So I'm talking about delivery status. Marian Boma made payment and it was successful. She made payment to reseller one to buy a handkerchief and it was successful. They sent me the handkerchief and I did not like it. Okay. Then I decided to return it. So I returned it. Which person here did China importation? So let's just assume that we are using Temu. How does Temu even work? I don't even know.
It's the normal way Jumia works now.
So I return a product. Now, for our platform, is the seller supposed to send me another product? Or
It's returning my money back to me.
is he returning my money back to my wallet? If my money is returned back to my wallet, I have ego in my wallet. All I have to do is place another order to get from another seller. So if you notice now, this is this payment status. You see that this data is not even collecting. I swear this data set is not an easy one, but it's going to be easy in Jesus' name. Amen. When it comes to e-commerce websites, you can pay with your card and you can pay from your wallet. Do you guys feel me?
Yeah.
Yes.
This payment method did not even capture wallet from wallet.
Wallet is there now.
Yeah,
It's possible.
wallet is here, or mobile
Mobile
wallet.
wallet is them.
Wallet is there.
Okay. 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 Well, I think we should just leave this return like this one. Because I don't know what to say again. Ewa, you're laughing at me.
I'm laughing at all of us.
I mean, maybe just go find another data set together,
Ah,
babe.
oh, Jesus Christ.
Please, what else is here to review again?
Just make sure that the delivery, I'm looking at delivery days.
Hmm.
So I have to find a way to filter that the delivery days is only for the successful payments, obviously, because those are the ones that got delivered. So I think that, and also the
Then
ones,
the
some of,
rating.
and the ratings, exactly. And the ratings, of course, ratings got to be peculiar to only the delivered products. And now that one can be, of course, it's 1 to 5. So that one can be, it can be anyhow. So some can rate it 1, some can rate it 2, some can rate it 3. But then again, if you are still going to be to have returns as part of the successful payments, you know, I don't know if we should make sure that the rating is between just 1 and 2, because you cannot have a 5-star rating for a goods that you return, since we are only relating the customer ratings to the product that was gotten by the customers and not by based on logistics. So I think that's it. Miriam, please tell me you followed everything I said too. So you see,
I did not follow anything.
eh.
But I believe, I trust in other individuals' capacity. So
Yeah.
whatever they say, that goes.
Hey God.
Are we done here?
Imputo, Cindy, Jadisola, Vina,
Ah,
Rachel.
I'll be honest. I think I've reached my mental capacity for the day.
Same
I
here.
can't,
Oh.
Oh
I
Jesus.
can't, I hate to questions.
Oh
Okay.
Jesus.
I can't right now.
All right. We've come to the end of this particular meeting.
Okay. Okay. I will prompt this. I send to the group. People view it. Deliberate on it tomorrow.
Mhm.
Let's see what's. So I wanted to
So
ask
tomorrow
finally.
evening.
Yeah, tomorrow. I think she said 7, Abish.
Yeah, 7.
I was suggesting something earlier. I don't know if I should include it as part of the prompt. Should I increase the number of transactions from 1,200 to like 3,000 or 5,000? Or I should leave it this 1,200. JJ.
Me, I don't know. You put that.
You must know. Yeah, you have to know. Please, talk.
If it increases the data entries, wouldn't it? Wouldn't there be some more errors that we would have to start cleaning again?
Nah, I will prompt in such a way that it follows all these parameters that I noted down.
So it means you will have to